at LBCC, our students are taught a curriculum by industry professionals in order to get a career in computer and cybersecurity. Our classes prepare students for in-demand certifications like the CompTIA Network Plus, A+, Security Plus, and Microsoft Windows and Server certifications. Many of our students are now working as networking and cybersecurity professionals.
The program here at LBCC prepared me to be a network and cybersecurity professional. I'm currently working as a Windows support technician.
I got my associates in computer security and networking at LBCC, and I'm transferring into a bachelor's of computer technology at Cal State Dominguez Hills.
Our courses cover security fundamentals, ethical hacking, computer forensics, computer hardware, networking fundamentals, wireless and mobile devices, Linux administration and security, and Windows networking administration and security. At Long Beach City College, we also use the latest hardware and software, including Wi-Fi pineapples for war driving and cracking wireless networks, and Kali Linux for network penetration testing, cracking passwords, and finding and undeleting files. Here at Long Beach City College, you will get the necessary skills to obtain and thrive in an entry-level cybersecurity position.